All right, I'm going to go over some vocab review, which we're doing in class on Thursday and Friday. So for these problems, do as many as you can without any notes, and then you can look through your notes after you've done what you can. So M is the midpoint of AB. You're going to sketch and carefully label each figure. So again, with the midpoint, first I'm just going to draw a line segment AB. And FM is the midpoint. It's in the middle. And then I got to mark it like so. A right isosceles triangle. So again, that's right angle here, and then isosceles means that two sides are congruent. A cone is going to look like this, dash line in the back, point on top, and then connect them to the edge. Diameter of a circle, all right, so I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle, and then draw a line through the center point. Kite. The general shape of a kite looks like this. And let's see here, actually. Kind of want it to be a little bit clearer. Yeah, even that looks more like a rhombus to me. So, all right, I want to turn off ink to shape then. Okay, so there we go, kite. So two sets of adjacent congruent sides, kite. Regular decagon. Decagon is 10 sides. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay, so just going to mark them. All the sides are congruent, and then all the angles are also congruent, which you can't. Oh. Okay, so all the sides are congruent, all the angles are congruent for a regular decagon. Equal angular and equilateral quadrilateral. You know what, actually, what I could do, I just realized this. I could do ink to shape. Wonder if that'll, oops. Let's try that now. Didn't do it. Oh well, I tried. Let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. See, it does like 6 sides. I'm gonna have to do like 1, 2. Oh, it's a circle. Oh well. I wonder if they're in here. Oh, okay. Equiangular and equilateral quadrilateral. So this quadrilateral is equiangular and equilateral. So look about like this, where all the sides are congruent and all the angles are congruent. So this is the same thing as a regular quadrilateral. It's also a square. Then a chord CD on circle P, right? So here is circle P, and here's a chord from C to D. Okay. Concentric circles are two circles that have the same center, which I wonder if I can do a better job here. Close. But anyway, they should have the same center. Oh. And obtuse angle is just an angle more than 90. Like that. An acute scalene triangle. So acute means all the sides are less than 90. That kind of looks like 90. Let's see if I can do a better job. There we go. Good. So scalene means all the sides are different lengths. So if I don't mark it at all, it's assumed to be scalene. Acute, all the angles are less than 90. A rhombus looks like this. And where all the sides are congruent, opposite sides are parallel because it is also a parallelogram. Good. Next is an equilateral nonagon. Nonagon means 9 sides. If I can do it this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nope. Oh well. Usually when I do it, I like to do it where it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, that's not very good. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So equilateral means all the sides are going to be marked congruent. Like that. Beautiful. Minor arc EF. All right, I'll go ahead and draw a circle. And minor arc EF. So this arc right here. Minor arc EF. Vertical angles, like that. And I can mark them like 1 and 2 maybe. Or mark them like this. Indicate those are vertical angles. Typically these are lines. There we go. Linear pair of angles, start with a line and go like that. And I'll label these like 3 and 4. Linear pair of angles. Trapezoid, 1 set of parallel sides. So this is parallel to this. Trapezoid. Tangent TG to circle O. Okay, so here's circle O. Oh, come on. Here is circle O. So label the center O. And then tangent TG. So put your point of tangency and then put G somewhere else on that line. So you have tangent TG. Good. All right. Next, we're going to go ahead and identify each figure. So I have line AB. This is a tangent line. This has 2 sets of opposite parallel sides. That would be a parallelogram. And this has 1 set of opposite parallel sides. That would be a trapezoid. This is a major arc. This is an acute angle. This is a pyramid with a pentagon for a base, so that would be a pentagonal pyramid. This is a compass. Oops, turn that off. Okay. Compass. These are 2 angles that add to 180. Those would be supplementary. Supplementary angles. This is a scalene triangle. All the sides are different lengths and 1 angle more than 90. So that would be obtuse, scalene triangle. Okay, we have points C, O, and L. 3 points on the same line are called collinear. 2 sides congruent for a triangle, isosceles. Array, RA, right? So RA, make sure that the arrow is on the side of the A, because that's where the arrow is pointing. And your R is the end point of the ray, so that's going to start there. Okay, this is a equilateral, equiangular pentagon. So that's a regular pentagon. This is concentric circles. This is a protractor. And again, compass. And supplementary angles. Now some of these are repeating here. And acute obtuse triangle. Okay, so some of these repeated. Oh, I know why. It's from the same test. Hold on. I know why. That's what I want. Okay, let's make sure I put this on the right one. That should be part D. Oh yeah, this is in the wrong location, isn't it? Okay. Well, going back to part C now, once we got all this figured out. These is here. Beautiful. Okay. This is a cylinder. These are complementary angles. They add to 90. This is a prism with a hexagon base, so hexagonal prism. And then going down to here, we have, like we did last time, a compass, supplementary angles, and obtuse scalene triangle. All right, and if you want further information, I actually have all the vocab answers here with nice little pictures of them, so you can kind of see what they're referring to. Cool. All right, that's the vocab review.